Hey guys, this is my giveaway entries. So, if you see your profile name, that means you're entered, and please look at the number beside it. So, here we go. I am at random.org. And second place goes to number 5, Hello Kiddish Cupcake. Congratulations, you just won second place, and you'll receive 5 squishy marshmallows that I choose. So, first place goes to number 3, which is Pie Girl Productions. Congratulations, Pie Girl Productions. You will receive all my squishy marshmallows that I showed you on the last video. So congratulations to both of you. I will PM you as soon as possible. Bye!